Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make organic henna paste. First, let's gather our simple ingredients. You'll need 100 grams of high-quality, fresh henna powder, about 1 cup of lemon juice, and 10 to 30 milliliters of a skin-safe essential oil like lavender or tea tree. Using fresh, body art quality henna ensures a vibrant, long-lasting stain. Adding a tablespoon or 2 of sugar can also improve paste consistency and adherence. Now, let's mix our paste. In a non-metal bowl, combine the 100 grams of henna powder with 1 to 2 tablespoons of sugar and 10 to 30 milliliters of essential oil. Gradually add about 1 cup of lemon juice, stirring continuously. Aim for a consistency similar to thick mashed potatoes, ensuring all ingredients are thoroughly blended and the paste is smooth and lump-free. This careful mixing is key to a workable paste. The next crucial step is allowing the dye to release. Cover your bowl tightly with plastic wrap, pressing it directly onto the surface of the paste to prevent air exposure. Let it rest at room temperature, ideally between 70 to 80 degrees Fahrenheit, for 6 to 24 hours. The exact time varies, but you'll know it's ready when you see a thin, dark orange layer of dye on the surface of the paste. This indicates the dye molecules are active. Once your henna paste has released its dye, it's ready for application. Transfer it into applicator cones or bottles. For the best results, apply the paste to clean, dry skin and leave it on for several hours. Any unused paste can be stored in an airtight container in the freezer for up to 6 months. Simply thaw it at room temperature before your next beautiful creation, ensuring you get the most from your homemade organic henna.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.